Number 2. Where is it? There we go. What color is that?
Orange.
Orange. Good girl. The next number is number?
3.
3. And what color is that?
Green.
Green. Good girl. Okay. What's the next number?
4.
4. What color is that?
Blue.
Blue. Good job. Number 4 goes there. Well done. What number are we looking for?
5.
Number 5. Do you see number 5? What number is that?
5.
What color is that?
Yellow.
Yellow. Good job. What number are we looking for now? 6. Where is number 6? Ooh, I see it. What color is that?
Yellow.
Yellow. I think that's a light green. Okay. What number are we looking for?
7.
Number 7. What color is that?
Purple.
Purple. Number. Look for it.
8.
8. Let's look for number 8. There we go. What color is that?
Blue.
Blue. That's, I think, is cyan. What color is that?
Red.
Red. And what number is that?
9.
9. Good job. Let's put it where it belongs.
Here we go.
There we go. Good job. And that's number
10.
10. There we go. Well done. Okay. Next is number
12.
11.
11.
11. Where is number 11? There we go. Good job. You did it. All right. The next is number
12.
12. Look for number 12. Where is number 12? There we go. Well done. 12. Color blue. And then, what comes after 12?
13.
13. There we go. And that's color? Green. And that's number?
14.
14. Good job. What's the next number?
15.
15. Color?
Purple.
Purple. Go ahead and put it. There we go. Okay, after number 15, we go to number
16.
16. There it is. There is number 16. Where is number 16? I think that's number 16. That's number 16.
Here we go.
There we go. Good job. And then after that comes number
17.
17. Where is number 17? Yeah, that's color
Red.
red. And that's number
17.
17. Well done. Go. What is the next number?
18.
18. And that's not color?
18.
Orange. Number 18. Yes. Good job. And that's number
19.
19. Well done. Our next number is number
20.
20. Well done. Clap for yourself. Please subscribe to our channel.